Hello and welcome to bivatechnologies. Today in this video, I am going to disclose about the difference between digital marketing and AI powered digital marketing and what benefits will you get and what challenges you have to face. So without delaying, just jump into my computer screen and I will show everything in detail. So, what is the basic difference between digital marketing and AI powered digital marketing? Both the terms are equal. If you think about or if you think to promote your business online, then digital marketing is the solution today. We all know it, we all are familiar about it. But after the huge growth of artificial intelligence in recent times, the total scenario has changed. From general or generic digital marketing to AI powered digital marketing is the problem solver today. So, if you are looking to solve your business or if you are looking to rank your business online, then you have to use artificial intelligence powered digital marketing, because digital marketing is nothing but the digital channels, but AI powered digital marketing helps you in many ways. I will explain everything in detail, but let me introduce myself. I am Shobhan Ghoshal. I am a digital marketing trainer and business strategist in bivatechnologies. So we will continue. First, we have to understand the basic difference between these two. But before that, what we are going to cover in this video. The first is the traditional digital marketing, next is the AI powered digital marketing, and finally the comparison and what you have to use and why. Next, I will come to you about digital marketing. Digital marketing is nothing but to use some digital channels to promote your business online. Here are the core components of digital marketing, that is search engine optimization or SEO, search engine marketing or SEM. It is kind of paid marketing, kind of paid ads in Google PPC. You are familiar about it. YouTube marketing. These are all the search engine marketing. Though YouTube is not a search engine itself, rather it is a social network. That is not a social media, but to run ads on YouTube, we have to use Google Ads, and that's why it is a part of search engine marketing as well. Social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, these are the social media platforms. LinkedIn is also a social media platform, but LinkedIn has a different orientation. It has a different types of focus. And content marketing, which is the most important today. To rank a content, the content marketing is everything. Email marketing, these are the core components of digital marketing. The pros and the cons of digital marketing are: the pros are the cost effective. We all know it, because today most of the companies, most of the businesses use digital marketing to promote their business, to rank their business, to outperform their business. So there is no comparison about its benefits or its costing, because the cost is really the cost effective and the cost is not huge. Flexible, you can do it anytime, anywhere, and you can get different types of results. For example, you are running an e-commerce store, but your product is aligning with winter collections. For example, you are selling winter jackets, winter hoodies, this type of products, this type of garments. So your digital marketing should be focused on seasonal purpose. So that is the flexibility, and the finally is a broad reach. So you can reach anywhere, you can go anywhere with your brand, with your business. Now come to the cons of digital marketing in this time. The first one is the limited personalization. Though today it is also possible, because of artificial intelligence. I will explain it later. And time consuming manual tasks. There are lots of manual tasks to do in digital marketing which are actually time consuming. Next, I will come to you about the AI powered digital marketing. The digital marketing is there, and the combination of artificial intelligence make it more effective. How? Number one, AI powered digital marketing helps in predictive analysis, which is very important, and that is the you can collect data of your business. It may be a previous data, it may be someone's data, it may be a data of your competitors, that can help you to understand or to make a strategy, to make a goal, or to what can I say, to decide something. That is very important. Number two, you can use chatbots which can help your customers to communicate with your business, with your brand. And number three is the personalization, delivered tailored service in real time. That is very crucial today. So, what is the key difference, or what are the key differences? Number one, in the term of data processing, digital marketing needs manual, and it is comparatively slower than artificial intelligence. Where artificial intelligence can provide real-time and automated data, it saves your time. That is very important in digital marketing. Number two, the automation is very basic in general digital marketing, but in artificial intelligence powered digital marketing, it is more advanced, and it is going to be more advanced in recent times. That is also a benefit. Number three, personalization. It is limited. Which one? The digital marketing is limited, but if you go with AI powered marketing, it is in depth, it is in detail, which is very, very, very important. And finally, in the term of decision making, this is the human driven. Digital marketing is the human driven, and the AI powered marketing is a data driven. Though there are some pros and cons in this factor, because when the data you have collected, if the data is not analyzed, or if the data is not scrutinized well, then it may give you a wrong decision. Just remember one thing: artificial intelligence is not a game changer until you have learned artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence is, what can I say, is a huge thing, mainly in business promotions today. Now, the advantages of digital marketing: the brand awareness is the primary goal, excellent for increasing visibility across multiple channels. For example, you are an e-commerce store. I have already taken an example, and you are selling hoodies, selling jackets, selling winter collections. So you can use multiple channels. For example, social media, search engine, email marketing, content marketing. In this way, you can go and you can increase your brand. You can make a deep brand awareness that helps your customers to decide something. Number two is the broad reach. I have already explained it. It is an affordable way to reach a wider audience. You can understand, because the digital marketing is hugely cost effective. You can run your ad at only 80 rupees a day. That is hugely cost effective. When you are planning to ad in a newspaper, or in a media like a television channel, it is a huge. But here digital marketing can solve it with a very minimal cost. Number three is the quickest setup. It is also easy, because you can easily campaign, you can easily set campaigns easily. Okay. Now I will come to you about the advantages of AI powered digital marketing. Number one is the data driven decisions. That is very important. When you decide something, the data is there, and that helps you to decide and align your goal with your business motto. Number two, the predictive analysis. That is also an important thing. You can forecast the trends and customer behavior and align your goal with them. Number three, the personalization. Today, AI-powered digital marketing delivered tailored experience to individual users, understanding their their behaviors, understanding their pattern of activities. So that helps AI. AI is not just like AI is a game changer definitely, but AI is not everything unless you learn AI. I have told it already, and the efficiency is there, so you can automate many similar tasks, and that increases your efficiency, and it will definitely reach you to the next level. Now, the challenges of digital marketing. Digital marketing is completely data overload today. Why? Because it is very tough to handle. It is very tough to manage and analyze large amount of data manually. Why? Because you need a long team, you need a large team to analyze the whole data and summarize it and make a decision. Multi-channel management is definitely today is very tough, because you are the only person and you are just creating a video, uploading a video to various platforms, maintaining the search engine optimization practices. For example, you have uploaded a video in YouTube, you have uploaded the same video in LinkedIn, same video in what can I say, in Facebook, in TikTok, in Instagram, but you have to maintain tags, maintain their algorithms. So that is also a tough thing. So the automation is the main word in marketing today, and here AI wins. And the limited personalization, I have already told, because it's very tough to analyze. I have 10 customers. For example, I have 10 customers. Among these 10, they both have not the same requirements, and it will never ever be. So what? I have to reach them manually and understand their objectives, and then I have to make a plan accordingly. But when I will come to you with artificial intelligence, the artificial intelligence will do it, analyzing their data and make a decision on the data they have collected. Now, the challenges of artificial intelligence powered digital marketing. That is, initial cost is huge. Why? The You have to buy many tools. You have to buy many subscriptions. I am using ChatGPT Pro, but or ChatGPT Plus actually. It is of $20 a month, around 2000 rupees in India, around 2000 rupees, because the GST is there. It is around 24 to $25 around a month. So this is the only one tool I have disclosed today. I have many tools, AI tools today, and all are huge. Have you got it? This is the reality. That's why the initial cost is very huge, very high. Number two, data privacy is the biggest concern. Here, we have to work carefully, because we cannot steal in anyone's data without his or her permission. So the ethical concerns are there, and artificial intelligence can do everything, but there are some limitations. We have to maintain it ethically to ensure that you are not doing any illegal activity, and some specialized skills. Today, AI is in the infant stage. Already in some previous videos, I have already told that AI is in infant stage. So AI needs to be more powerful, needs to be more accurate. That is the biggest concern. Now I will come to the conclusion, and that is, we have to understand the potentiality of both digital marketing and artificial intelligence powered digital marketing. If we think that only digital marketing can solve my problem, can help my business growth, then that is better. If we think no, we have to proceed smarter way, in the smarter way, then we have to concentrate on focusing artificial intelligence powered digital marketing, because many automations you can do, many personalization, some personalization you can do easily, understanding the data behaviors and all these things, but it completely depends on you. And one thing before closing the video I am going to explain, that is, in future, if we don't use artificial intelligence wisely, we will not go ahead, we will be far behind. Why? Because artificial intelligence is now in the infant stage or in the kid stage. It will be teen, it will be adult, and it will be more mature than today. So this is all for today. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.